When you want to pause a student's work, whether you want to share it with other students in the class or for parents to see, you can add this using, again, add button, but not choosing assign activity, but post a student work. We will choose upload, and I will actually upload from my computer. Here you select a student. This work is connected, attached to this student. You can select the folders. For example, this was a work that we did on art. You can create a folder here. This appears in your journal, and this appears in the journal of that student and the parents. This student can see this, and you can like, comment, add skills if you need it. And now you can see that the folder that this work is about is art.